everybody, it's Bunny, and today I am taking you guys on a very exciting adventure. You probably noticed something different about this video, which is we're filming the entire thing in VR 180. So while you're watching this video, feel free to turn your phone left and right, up and down, because you can see it all. So today I'm doing something I have never done before. I am opening up a free snow cone stand. You might recognize where I'm at right now. I am at Heaven on Earth, my favorite place to visit, which is Uncommon Objects in Austin, Texas. So the last Sunday of every month, they have a flea market. It's called Uncommon Flea. They do it right here in the backyard, and there's lots of different vendors. Sometimes people selling food, people selling all kinds of antiques. Like, you literally never know what you're going to find. And also, you guys know Halloween is approaching, and every year I do like cotton candy and drinks and trick-or-treat baskets, all kinds of stuff for the trick-or-treaters. But one thing I've never done that I've always wanted to do is to do snow cones, in addition to everything else I'm also doing. So that is kind of like the perfect marriage I'm creating today. I am opening a free snow cone stand at Uncommon Flea, and I'm just going to be passing out snow cones to people all day, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I felt like it's a good way for me to like test different flavors and to actually learn how to use a snow cone machine, because I've never made a snow cone in my life. So I am very excited, and I hope you guys are gonna be excited too, because we don't know what we're gonna find. So I will see you guys in the backyard. fun. And a huge thank you to Dogman and Kat and to our shop friend. She has a daughter named Delia. I bet you guys saw her in the video. Oh my gosh, she had so much fun. So, like I was saying, today was a really fun dress rehearsal for Halloween. I wanted to see which flavors people would request the most, so I know which syrup to stock up on majorly by Halloween, and which flavors people completely passed on. Surprisingly, pickle was like really requested. The one that nobody asked for was banana. Does no one likes banana? I'm very curious. Also, I think tiger's blood was a super big hit as well. But thank you to everybody who contributed. We also had a little donation jar out. I was collecting donations for the American Lung Association, and we collected $200. So I'm gonna double it, but that was a really fun little extra donation thing to do. But you guys, I think I'm addicted to doing a Sno-Cone stand, so I might be back here. It was a ton of fun, and I've probably said that 500 times. But let me know what you guys think of this VR experience. Do y'all want to see more videos like this? And leave me some suggestions of other places that y'all think would be really fun to film some VR footage. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very, very soon.